Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making a soufflé. The first thing I'm going to do is take my melted butter and rub it round my pot, and then take my sugar and spread it around the pot. I'm now going to place my pots in the fridge to set. In my bowl, I'm going to add 90 millilitres of double cream, 1 tablespoon of plain flour, and 3 tablespoons of cornflour. I'm now going to mix it together until it forms a paste. In my saucepan, over a medium heat, I'm going to add my milk and bring it to the boil. My milk has come to the boil. I am now going to add a little bit in and give it a mix. I'm now going to put it onto a low heat and add in my mixture. I'm then going to beat it vigorously until it becomes thick. And add in my lemon juice and lemon zest. I'm going to take 2 egg yolks and 6 tablespoons of sugar. I'm now going to add my yolk and sugar into my saucepan mixture. I'm now going to place it back onto the hob and leave it until it thickens again. Once it has started to bubble, I'm then going to take it off and leave it to one side to cool down. While my mixture is cooling, I'm going to whisk up my egg whites until they form peaks. My egg whites have formed soft peaks. I'm now going to fold in my egg whites into my mixture. I'm going to take my mixture and fill up my pots. Now I'm going to use the back of a spoon and flatten the top, but you don't want to push down on it, otherwise you will lose all the air. I'm going to run a knife, or you can use your fingernail, around the edge so when it rises in the oven it doesn't stick to the sides. I'm now going to place them on a baking tray in the middle of the oven and cook them for about 14 minutes until they have risen and they have turned golden brown. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.